Hello everyone, in this video we are going to talk about Baby of the Year contest. Is this legit or this just a scam or a mimic? Right, so Baby of the Year contest hosted by Jessica Alba in partnership with Colossal and Baby to Baby presented itself as a charming initiative aimed at finding the cutest baby in America. They also offer grand prize that is $25,000 and a feature in Good Housekeeping magazine, which also supporting Baby to Baby, a non-profit focused on providing essential items to children in needy. So here are the key concern which I found out, right? And these are the, as you can see here, this is in the Reddit. And as you know, in Reddit, most of the reviews are generally right and authentic. So the key concern are lack of exclusivity. Almost every baby that enters the contest is accepted, which raises question about the competitive nature of the event. The situation suggests that it may operate more like a popularity contest rather than a fair competition. Voting dynamics. Okay, so I really want to talk on this. Right, the contest relies heavily on public votes, often requiring participants to engage in extensive social media campaigns to gather support. Right, and colossal reputation. The content is managed by the Colossal Management LLC, a company with a controversial history in fundraising competitions. Past events have raised skepticism due to the practices like vote buying and privacy issue related to personal information sharing. There's also a transparency issue. Many participants have noted a lack of clear communication regarding how winners are chosen. While there are claims of judges making final decisions, the heavy emphasis on voting can lead to a perception of unfairness, particularly for those who may not have the resources to campaign effectively. Some participants have reported unauthorized charges related to being involved in the contest, raising alarm about financial transparency and the actual distribution of funds raised for charity. So, while the Baby of the Year contest is not outright a scam, it exhibits several red flags that potential participants could or should consider carefully. The combinations of heavily publicized voting system, questionable management practices by Colossal, are concerned about financial transparency, suggest that parents should approach this contest with cautious and manage their expectations appropriately. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video very useful, subscribe.